Greenheart Robina Parkland. Greenheart Robina Parklands is a newly developed 22.5-hectare community park located at the end of Stadium Drive in Robina, Queensland. It marks the first completed stage of the ambitious 257-hectare Greenheart Master Plan, which, upon full development, will become the largest parkland on the Gold Coast. Key features of Greenheart Robina Parklands: adventure playground, a fully fenced play area catering to children of all ages, from toddlers to late primary school children. Water play area, a designated space for water-based activities, ideal for cooling off during warmer months. Pedal park, a dedicated area for cycling and scootering enthusiasts, promoting active play and mobility. Event lawn, a spacious open area designed to host community events and gatherings. Yoga lawn, a tranquil space for yoga and relaxation activities. Picnic spots and barbecue areas. Multiple locations equipped for outdoor dining and socializing. Outdoor gym. Fitness equipment available for public use, encouraging an active lifestyle. Dog off-leash area, a fenced area where dogs can play freely. Walking trails, paths meandering through the park, suitable for walking and nature exploration. Cafe, a kiosk offering refreshments and light meals for park visitors. Greenheart Robina Parklands is situated adjacent to QUEENSLAND Super Stadium and is easily accessible from Robina Station Reserve and Robina Hospital via a new boardwalk currently under construction, expected to be completed by May 2025.